Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your IRA beneficiaries with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Vanguard website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview page. Locate the IRA section and select it to view your IRA accounts. Choose the specific IRA account for which you want to update beneficiaries. Look for the Beneficiaries or Account Settings option within your IRA account details. Click on it to access the beneficiary settings. Here, you can view current beneficiaries listed on your account. If you need to add a beneficiary, select the Add Beneficiary option. Enter the required information for each beneficiary, including their name and relationship to you. Confirm that all information is accurately entered before proceeding. If you need to remove a beneficiary, find their name and select the Remove option. Review all changes carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your beneficiaries, click on the Submit or Save button. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been processed. For added security, check your email for a confirmation and keep it for your records. To ensure your changes are reflected, log back into your account after a few days to verify. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Vanguard's customer service for assistance. Regularly review your beneficiary designations to ensure they are up to date. That's how to back up your IRA beneficiaries with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.